Welcome back. The environment has been on the Army's radar for about 2 decades. Still, there are some who believe the environment and soldiers are at odds, but as James Williams reports, they're actually mutual benefactors.
The Joint Multinational Readiness Center at Hohenfels, Germany provides realistic training for NATO countries. As military challenges evolve around the globe, training must adapt to remain effective. Here at Hohenfels, the environmental staff works with soldiers on various construction projects designed to enhance training. They're building a 5-meter-high berm next to a replication of Sadr City. This will cut down on the noise from weapons and provide a visual barrier between soldiers and their neighbors.
Building this berm is a good part of environment control because it's stopping the noise barrier. It's being a noise barrier and almost an environmental barrier. Once they put the trees and stuff, it'll make it look more natural here too.
The nearby Makaraki village is just one training aid for soldiers heading to the Middle East. This improvised explosive device lane replicates the type of highway soldiers encounter in Iraq. Soldiers who have already completed a tour of duty in Iraq have helped design this mock highway. It includes water runoff control and possible hiding places for explosives like overpasses, rock piles, and small buildings. Some people still view training and the environment as a dichotomy, now and forever contradictory parts. But here in Southeast Germany, they have proven how much soldiers and the environment can benefit from each other. James Williams, Hohenfels, Germany.